Yo, what's up? Kilogod Speed. Is this someone I know or someone who changed their name? Oh, Kilogod Speed. Actually, I don't. Oh, you're new actually. Very cool. Welcome, Kilogod Speed. The students were live. One sec, Kilogod. I need you to. Can you boost your mic, Kilogod? It's kind of coming in and out. What's up, Mango? Good to see you.
What's up? It's your favorite person.
There we go. It's my favorite person. It's Grim. You are all the trouble, dude. All right, I'll put my headphones on because dude, I keep like looking for my glasses. I'm like trying to put my glasses up, and I'm like, oh, I don't have glasses. Oh, okay.
Oh no. I just love the glasses. Come on, put them on.
I know. I got actually. Oh yeah, you're right. One sec. Can you guys hold for like 1 second? And here's Sore. We're gonna do your question first because you posted it. I like that, dude. 1 sec. I'm gonna grab my glasses and I need to grab like some drinks because y'all always gonna make me hydrate. Hold down the fort.
Can I be after Sore? Yes, I'll take that silence. I'll take that silence as a yes.
How is that fair?
It's fair.
So it's just fair?
Yeah, it's just fair. You get me?
No, I don't get you.
Oh, then you'll never understand.
I don't understand how that's just considered fair.
Who's at a bro? Who's at the set? What is that? Is that a memorial? I guess.
A memorial?
Yeah, someone posted a memorial and counted it.
All right. What's up, Nick? Good to see you, bro.
Thanks, Dr. Gold. Thanks, Dr. Gold.
Thank you for what?
I said, can I go next? And I said, I'll take that silence as a yes.
Oh, well, I wasn't there to. What's that? Oh, IXL. Yeah, IXL is cool. IXL is a website where you learn. It's pretty cool. I've used IXL before.
Confirm that so it doesn't count.
Mango, did you post your question? You post your question you need help with?
Yeah.
Sore did. We're going to go over Sore's because Sore posted his. Good kid.
Where do you post it?
He posted in the office hours Discord channel. That's where you guys should post your questions. Yo, it's not working for me. What's not working for you? I'm going on the computer. Okay. That's all good. Bum, 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 bum.
Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, Dr. Gold,
What's up, brother?
I get report cards on the 15, okay?
Oh, nice. You gonna get some more point? Do you have good test grades? You need good test grades. I need to see your test grades.
I didn't take any tests yet.
Were you gonna take any tests yet? How have you not taken any tests this month?
I just
Okay.
I just had a
Let me give 1 more minute and then we'll start.
I just had a test today.
What are we learning today?
We are looks like we're learning slope intercept. We're learning whatever you guys want to learn, honestly, is what we're learning today. And
Dr. Gold.
what's up, bro?
slope.
I just found out that I have a 96 in world geography, even though they kicked me out of class and I always sleep in it.
Oh, well, don't do that.
And I still have a 96.
Not for long.
I have a B in reading.
A B in what?
No, Dr. Gold. The surprising thing is I used to have like a 70 in world geography.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
I'm glad you're doing better. All right, cool. All right, Sore. Here, let me explain to everyone. Everyone who's watching the stream. What's up? This is Office Hours. This is a stream where we help you out with your math and science homework. You get rewards, tons of fun shit. You learn some cool stuff. And I'm here to answer any questions. If you have questions, please post them in the Office Hours channel in the Discord. If you need to join the Discord, you can do it really easily. It's if you're in the chat here, you can just do !Discord, and it should have the link for it. High cult members, children of Dr. Gold. Yeah, let's not get too crazy with that. I'm not trying to go to jail.
Wow. For once, it doesn't have a delay.
What doesn't have a delay?
Like there was no delay.
Oh, interesting. That's cool.
Yeah, there was.
Wait,
I don't know.
Dr. Gold.
What's
Yeah,
up, brother?
I think I seen your TikTok. That's exactly why I joined this Discord.
Oh, did
Yeah, me
you?
too.
Oh, that's super cool, dude.
Yes,
Did you
And I-
see? Did you see?
and I followed you too.
Did you see me? What'd you see on TikTok? Did you see an advertisement with like video
One
games?
said if you get good grades, you get V-Bucks.
Oh, nice. Yes, that is true. You do get good. If you get good grades, you do get V-Bucks. And actually, there are quite a few people here who have gotten V-Bucks from getting good grades and doing stuff.
I have three. I have 3 coins so far.
Nice. You only need 7 more. So here's a cool thing. So if you're watching on Twitch, or if you open up a window on Twitch, you'll stack up channel points that you can then use to redeem for extra coins. Also, if you have any sort of question in math and science that you want to ask, that will get you an extra coin as well, just for being on the stream and asking a question. So if you have like a homework question, like something in your math or science class that like didn't make sense, and you can like take a picture of it and post it
Yes, I will when I get home.
Okay.
Because I'm taking out the trash.
Okay, good. Well, then you can post. I tagged you in the channel to post it in. If you post it in there, and if we go over it during the stream, I'll give you an extra coin.
I have 2 band coins. How do I get more?
Be a good kid, Grim, and I'll give you the rest of yours.
Get good grades.
Good grades help too. Yeah, where are your good grades, Grim? Have you not posted any good grades yet?
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, show me some good grades, dude.
Oh, you want to see my grades?
Maybe. Yeah, you can post them, but here,
Maybe.
let me help out. Let me help out. Sor, are you here? You here, brother?
Hello, Dark Aspect.
Yeah, Nick's here. That's Dark Aspect.
Oh my god,
Sor,
it's Saint Nicholas.
Sor. Man, Sor's here. I was gonna answer his question. Where is he now? He probably went to go
Sor.
get some. You went to go
Sor
get some
stands
nachos or
for-
something.
SOAR stands for Study on Aerial Restrooms.
Okay, that was slightly clean. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll accept that.
I'm to Twitch right now.
There, go to the Twitch, and then you'll see that you can get channel points, and then with the channel points, you can then redeem it for bond coins. S.study. Yeah, nice, Nick, dude. So Nick just
Just
redeemed
like
a bond
that.
coin. Yeah, Nick just did it. Nick
Okay,
just.
I'm here. I just followed you on Twitch.
Ooh, nice, dude. Actually, that gets you an extra. That gets you an extra bond coin for following on
Yeah,
Twitch.
you can get into
What happens if I unfollow and then
No, if you already followed and then unfollowed, it doesn't count.
imagine.
Here, I'll give you. There, you get one right there. Killer God. Nice. You have 2 coins.
You're not the only one, Nick.
Wow. Grim also got another bond coin. Good job, guys.
Wow.
Sor.
Can I redeem 1,000 coins, please?
Yeah. Do you have 1,000? Do you have 1,000 channel points yet?
I don't know.
So if you watch the Twitch
I have
stream
300.
yeah, good. So if you watch the Twitch stream and if you click the thing like when it says like be active and whatnot, if you click that, it'll get you extra channel points. And then if you come to consecutive streams, so Kill God, if you show up today's stream, and then you show up to the next one and the one after that, you get a bonus, dude. Ooh, Flyboy King with the hydrate. Thank you.
Dr. Gold, every time I see my profile pic, I'm like, what?
sorry, Miss Jackson.
I am for real. Sor, I want to go over your question here, or else I'm gonna give it to Mango, dude.
Yeah, please give it to me.
All
Sor,
right.
don't say anything.
Sor's not saying
Say
anything,
something.
dude. Sor, I'm giving you.
Oh, well, what?
There you are, Sor. Here, you want to go over your question, dude?
Dang it, Sor.
All right, cool. Here we go. All right. So what do you need help with, Sor? So a good thing for you to explain to me, like,
Slope.
what do you need help? What is okay? Question here. What is slope? Do you know what slope is?
Too hard.
Too hard? No. Come on. What's the slope? No.
Wait, give me this.
Yo, hi, Dr. Gold.
What's up,
Been a while.
Demented? Good to see you, brother. Yeah, it's been a minute. Good to see you, dude.
Live.
Yeah, Demented's
Yeah,
alive.
I'm alive. I've been just going on workouts during this time.
Dude, yeah, he's been running like 50,000 steps, bro. This guy's been going nuts.
I know.
You're-
Only because he wants to break my self-esteem.
Yeah.
I just want to get some weight loss, bro. I hit
No, you're trying to break
69,000
myself.
steps.
Yeah, he did.
Friday.
He did.
Why?
That's
No
good.
way.
You saw the video I sent you? Brings back memories, am I right?
Oh my god. I think I still have it.
All right. All right, Sor. You want to explain to me what slope is? What do you know about
Wait,
slope?
Can we do this one later, actually?
Can we do what?
Can you do my question later?
Sure, that's fine. Mango, you're up. You
Okay.
you want to ask a question, Mango?
So at school, I had a test today.
Yeah, that's
and
cool.
One of the questions were about something called partial quotient.
Ooh, okay, partial quote. Maybe like partial fractions, maybe?
No, for
Partial
partial
quotients.
quotient.
Okay, that's
For
cool.
division. For division.
For division. For division. Okay, do you have an example of a question they asked you?
I think one of them was 12 divided by, I think, 300.
Uh-huh.
387.
387, okay. Something like this?
No,
No, he says. What is it then?
a house.
A house. Oh, are we doing long division?
Oh, I know what he means. Oh, alright.
What is he talking about?
Like make the house in long division.
Uh-huh.
Yo, Dr. Gold, I can, what's it called?
And
I
what
can
with-
send it to you on office hour.
All right, cool. Yeah,
figured out what he was talking about.
yeah, send it to me in officers. Partial quotients, I assume we're talking about the remainder being a fraction. Is that what we're talking about?
No, something like yeah. It's basically that.
All right,
Actually,
here, let me look at what.
Kind of.
What's up,
Make
Jack?
a
Good to see you.
house.
here it is on office hours. That's what he's talking
Oh, yo, what? What the shit is that?
about. I looked at this, I'm like,
Dude, is this
what
some
is this?
fucking Common Core shit, dude? What the fuck?
What class are you doing, Mango? Class. What
Yeah,
class is this?
I'm only in 5th grade.
Okay,
This is math.
all right.
Oh, this is like what's it called? It's a different way of doing long division.
This
It's another
is,
type
dude,
of,
this is fucking backwards, dude. What?
Make a house. You gotta make a house.
All right, okay. All right, we'll do it. We'll do it. Here, we'll do it. That's cool. All right. All right, we'll do it the partial quotients way, which I don't really agree with this way. It seems weird, but
What
okay.
is this?
Yeah, that's so odd, dude. What? Okay. Here, Mango, do you want to just, do you have to learn this method, or is she just trying to give you some like new way to do it? I don't really like this method.
All
No,
right.
I hate elementary for that reason.
All right,
They
all right,
want
let's
you
do
to
it.
only do it one way.
Okay.
They want
yeah,
you to
math
They
has
make this
different
end.
ways.
My teacher won't let me do it any other way.
All right, then let's do
I
it this
know,
way. Well,
like,
let's
that's
do
why I
it.
hate-
Let's do it this way. Let's do this.
That's
It's
why I
okay.
hate elementary.
Okay, here we go. All right, what do we do here, Mango? What do we do? We built the house, right? We're building the
Well-
house. This is a big house. Can I draw straight today? Okay. What's my first step here, Mango? What do I do? Ooh, with the hydrate. Thank you.
Magic.
You have to find out something that can go, well, like, what times 4 could give me enough, to where I'm not all the way,
Oh, alright. I figured this out. Alright.
Yeah,
to
no,
where
no.
I'm not above 583, but I am not, like, really far below
583. Yeah, I think you can actually choose any number, honestly. So I think at this
They
point,
want it to
I'm
be
gonna
like
do
fast
times
paced.
100.
yes, you should always. Yeah, all right, I get it. What they're doing is usually we would be like, how many times is 4 going to 5? But whatever. So yeah, you're just gonna say
Yeah,
100.
That's how I learned it.
I know
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
the correct way. Okay, so you're gonna
People in my
just
class aren't as sophisticated enough to do that.
yeah. Well, this is. Oh my God, this is either they talk about this like Common Core, and I'm just like, yo, what is this? This is so backwards, but okay.
Yeah.
Um,
And then you
Dr.
draw a line
Gold.
under the.
right,
500.
right, okay. So four times 100 equals what?
400.
Cool, 400.
And
Nice.
then you minus
Dr.
that.
Gold,
Yeah, then
Whatever it
then we're gonna
equals.
minus good,
400 minus 583,
which is what?
Dr.
183.
Gold.
What's up, brother?
And then how many times can that go? And it just keeps.
Yeah.
going
So then
down
yeah,
until
and then
you
here's the
have
weird
to
thing. You
left.
got to find another thing, right? That goes into 183.
Yeah. And then if you have remainder at the bottom, you just add it all. back to
Yeah,
the
this is
side.
also
Yeah,
weird.
remember.
What? Okay.
It's such a weird way to do this.
Yeah. So okay, what's something that
Times
goes into
40.
times 40? Okay, let's try that. We can try 40, right? 4 times 40 is what?
160.
Good, 160, right? Okay, cool. So now we're down to what?
23.
23. Okay. How many times did 4 go into 23?
Times 5.
Times 5. Good. So that's 20, right? So what am I left with?
3. And
Right.
then your answer is 145 remainder 3.
Good. You know, that's not the worst method, honestly.
It's not the.
It's not the
it feels more
worst.
simpler.
It's weird. I get it. The cool thing is that like you get to just pick like whatever ass number you wanted. So
Yeah, that's what I like
so
about this one.
okay, so it is remainder 3. Do you know how to write this as a fraction, Mango? Instead of saying remainder 3, what's like the correct way to write this actually?
I remember you taught me this. Like 3
Yes.
3/4.
Yes.
Or like 3/4.
3/4. Yes. It's
Okay.
145 and 3/4. It's right. What's up, Flyboy? Killer Godspeed. What's up? First time chat, Flyboy King, dude. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, it's 145 and 3/4, which is 145.75. So one sec. I want to show you how like you could have done something else. You could have done other numbers with this actually, which I guess is kind of the uniqueness in this solution is that you could have done whatever. So
It's less strict.
yeah. So I agree. We could have done 100. I could have also done 125, right? Because 125 times 4 is going to be 500. Okay. So now we get 83, and then from here I would be like, okay, 20, right? That's 80, and then I get down to 3. I'm like, okay, cool, remainder 3. So it's 145, remainder 3. Okay. This method's actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool, actually. That's cool, actually.
Wow.
I learned something today, actually. You guys taught me something. I'm like, wow, that's actually cool.
I want to learn about geometry.
You want to learn about geometry?
Come on, Demented, tell me.
Nice.
What in geometry though?
Yeah. We can go over some geometry stuff.
I
in
want to learn about trigonometry.
trigonometry. Yeah, noob, haha.
What is that?
Sor, are you here, dude? Sor, you were talking earlier. Now you're deafened again.
He's deafened. Yeah, I don't
Oh
know.
man, where'd you go, dude? Yeah, 145 remainder 3. Nice,
Dr.
dude.
Gold, I have a question because this is gonna be for my next semester, and I'm way too.
Okay,
horrified
good.
with
Yeah,
math teachers.
yes. Good, Demented. I like questions. Let's do it.
I got trinomials and polynomials.
Yes.
Explain
Why
this
is
to me,
so
because my teacher sucks ass at doing
Dude, I'll
it.
tell you about it, dude. It's all good. It's all
Didn't I
good.
just ask that yesterday?
Here, Mango. Let me get you a point real quick. And then.
Demented, just answer the question.
Sor,
man.
wait. Sor, are you here? Because I keep wanting. Do you want to answer your question now, or you want me to do it later?
Yeah, we're doing it now.
Okay, Demented, can I do his real quick, and then I'll tell you all about. Okay, cool. Let's do it. All right. Okay, cool. Sor, here's a graph. Right? They're asking what is slope.
Yeah.
What is slope? Oh, thank you for the hearts, Flyboy.
Rise and run.
Rise over run. Good. Yes, this is right. What does rise over run actually mean, dude? Though, what does rise over run mean?
I have no idea.
What?
You
You just say I know what it is, but I don't know what it means.
XY.
What?
XY thing again.
You imagine if like the cops pulled you over and they're like, "Do you know how fast you're going?" And you're like, "Yep." And they're like, "How fast you're going?" You're like, "I don't know."
Just above the speed limit.
Above the speed limit.
XY.
Yes. Okay. Rise over run, Sor, means the change in y over the change in x. Okay. So what that means is, let's say I start at a point here, Sor. Okay.
I'm listening.
And then I go to another point here. The slope
Yeah.
is measuring how much did I change in y and how much did I change in x to go from this point to this point. Okay.
Okay.
That's a type of triangle.
That's what it is. A triangle. Very good, Mango. You're very good. This actually is a triangle. This is pretty cool because actually the distance formula for this is the Pythagorean theorem. But we'll get to it.
Oh God, please.
Yes, right. Yeah, dude. No, the
That
Pythagorean
gave
theorem,
me
dude.
heart
He's
attacks.
gonna hunt
No,
you
no.
down. Dude, that Pythagorean theorem never leaves you, dude. Never leaves you, dude.
Pythagorean
It's the scariest thing
Yeah,
I've
it's
ever
scary,
learned.
dude. Well, the
Okay,
quadratic.
what's the
I think the
Pythagorean?
quadratic equation is scarier, honestly. That thing like is.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
X equals negative b.
Dr.
What
Gold.
is what you just said?
What's up?
Dr. Gold. What,
Pythagorean theorem.
What is what
Yeah.
Grim is scared
what
of?
is that? What is that?
Something. Chat. What are people saying, dude? What?
What
Okay.
is the Pythagorean theorem?
Oh, I've done that a
B squared
gazillion
plus
times.
B squared
Yes.
equals C
Yes,
squared.
thank you.
I hated that
It's this
for
thing.
so long.
Yes. It says if you have two sides of a triangle, which is A and B, that this squared plus this squared equals this squared. I've gone over the Pythagorean theorem literally probably a dozen times on this stream. So, I need to make just a video for it.
This
Despise
stream?
it.
This stream alone? That's kind of...
Not this actual stream, but okay. So
Oh.
soar. Slope, right? Slope is rise over run. Rise is defined as the change in y, the change in like the up down, and run is the change in x, the change in left right. Okay.
Yep.
So if I'm looking at this right here, how much in y does it change to go from this point to this point?
Sorry.
All right.
Would it be negative?
Would it be what?
Negative.
No.
I'll give it like a -2.
-2. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, here. All right, guys. Chill on the singing while I try to teach.
I can't help it.
I know. We'll just mute yourself if you're singing then.
-2 step.
Okay. No. Okay. So first of all, from here to here, it's not negative because it goes.
Oh.
It goes up.
Oh.
Right. It goes up. Okay. And also, it doesn't go up 2. You're right. It does go up two tick marks, but do you see how this has an axis on it?
Yeah.
Right. Do you see how this right here is -60 and this is -40? So how much does it actually go up?
20.
Good. Goes up 20. All right, so this is 20. Good to see you, CV Wen. Don't chill in the water. Good. CV, all right. Okay, then let's look at delta x, right? Delta x, you said 7 because you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it actually looks like it's 6. But again, Sora, we need to read what the units are on the axis, right? So this is right here, which, what does this point look like? If this is -20, what is this point going to be?
-30.
Nope. Wrong.
No. It'd be
-10.
-10. Good. This is -10. Grim, do you see how this is -20, so this is -10, and then this is 0?
I can't really because everything is so small, man.
Oh, well, get a bigger screen. I don't know. Like, what is it? I mean, I can make it bigger.
You need glasses, bro.
Here, can you guys see it now?
I keep breaking my glasses
See it
because
now?
I look bad in them.
All right. So it starts from -10 here, Soar, and then what point does it go? What point does it go to? What's this point right here?
30. No, it's 50.
No, that's 50. Good. Okay, so going from -10 to 50 is how much? What's the change in x there?
It's like 40.
No, Jack, give me a second, dude. So,
Probably be -40.
no, we're going from -10 to 50. -10, all the way to 50. What happened? Did the number go up?
Yeah. Well, yes, it did go up.
How much did it go up by?
60.
60. Good. So you see that delta x is gonna be 60. Okay. Yes, Clifford, you can go. Just post your question in the Discord. Did you guys see it? Just post your question in the Discord.
20 over 60. I think
20 over 60. Okay. And then all right. And then what's that as a fraction? You can reduce this.
10/6.
No.
Actually, no.
No. 20 over 60. How can I reduce this?
I go.
Jack, what, dude? Jack, you can't just yell at me when I'm trying to teach, dude. I love you,
Yeah,
kid,
dude.
but
Would it be 10/30?
10 over 30. You
Oh.
can reduce that even more. What can we reduce? 10 what goes into 10? What goes into 30?
5.
5. Okay, we're getting
And
closer.
what could be 1/3?
It's just gonna be 1/3. Do you see this? See that? Good. 1/3.
Oh, okay.
Nice. Okay, good. All right, cool.
What? It just went from 30 to 1/3. What?
Yeah, because it's 10 over 30. 10 over 30, right? You can pull a 10 out of each of these. Do you see this?
Oh yeah, you can simplify it.
Yeah, this is just 1 over 3. You can always just cancel zeros, honestly. Okay, but all right, I want you to do. This is the question you need to do, which is finding the slope that passes through 2 points. Okay, so this is where there's an equation for this, Soar. Okay, if you have delta y over delta x, delta is the same thing as change. They just call delta change. The way to write this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can see how we already did that up here. Do you see how?
Right there.
Sorry. Do you see how, for example, we went from -10 to 50? This can be thought of as like x1, and this was x2. And so if you did x2 minus x1, that would be 50 minus -10. If you have 2 minuses next to each other, they add, right? So then that's equal to 60. That's how we got that, all right? Do you see how that works?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so now I have 2 points. I want you to figure out the slope for here.
Over 17 and 4/3.
How are we going to do this?
We're going to subtract them, though.
Okay, so what am I going to
on
do?
the top then, right?
7 and 10 on the top?
Yes.
No, so this is y2 and this is y1, right? So here's what we're going to do. We can think of this as like the first point, and we can think of this as the second point, okay?
Oh, so y2 is going to be 7. x1 is going to be 10.
No, not quite. Okay, it's always x comma y. is what it is. So which point is this going to be?
Y is X, 10 is Y.
10 is Y. Good. And I'm going to call this X1. I'm going to call this Y1 because this 1 here means it's the first point. Okay.
Okay.
What are these points going to be then?
X2, Y2.
Good. X2, Y2. Good. Very good. Okay. And so now I have X1, Y1. I have X2, Y2. So now I can use this formula here, right? So what am I going to plug in?
10Y minus 3/4.
10Y.
7.
10Y minus 3. So you're just going to do this. Well, first of all, it's Y2 minus Y1. Which one was Y2?
Y2 was 3.
3. So you're going to say 3 minus, and which one was Y1?
Y1 was 7.
No. X1 was 7.
Oh, 10.
10. Good. So it's 3 minus 10. Okay, divided by. All right, here. Now tell me what X2 minus X1 is. Which numbers are there?
4 and 7.
Good.
So 4, 7.
It's 4 minus 7. Okay? Okay. Cool. So now you can simplify this. What's 3 minus 10?
3 minus 10 would be negative 7.
Negative 7. Good. What's 4 minus 3? Sorry, 4 minus 7.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Good. So your answer is...
Okay, they're both negatives.
Yes, they're both negative, so it's...
So would it be positive?
Good.
Since it's both negative.
Yes. 7/3. Now, this is an improper fraction. They also want it as a proper fraction. How would I turn this into a proper fraction? Do you know what a proper fraction is?
I do, but I don't know how.
Okay, so a proper fraction means I need to turn this into a mixed number, okay? Which you can kind of do this using division, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn 7/3 into a proper fraction. How many times does 3 go into 7?
0. No, like 1 time. No.
No. How many times?
0. Yeah, 0.
3 goes into 7 0 times?
Yeah, 3 can't go in 7.
3 definitely can go into 7.
2 times.
2 times. Good. Thank you, guys. 2 times. So you're going to write 2, okay? So it can go into 7 2 times. What's the remainder?
1.
1. Good. So do you see how this is going to become 2 1/7?
Okay. Taking screenshots.
All right. Sorry. No, I fucked this up. Sorry. 2 1/3. Sorry. This is the remainder. It's 2 1/3. This is what it is.
Screenshot
Yes.
again.
The way you can double check this, guys, is anytime you have a mixed number, you do this times this plus this. Okay? So if you do 2 times 3 plus 1, you get 6 plus 1, which equals 7. And always divide it by the original fraction, 7/3. And that's how it's the same thing. Cool?
Okay.
Nice. Ooh, we got a couple questions lined up in the chat. Very good.
I'm next.
Are you-
I didn't
are
get my
you-
question thing yesterday.
You didn't, but you got it.
That's my
You got it.
question to Mango.
All right, you guys gotta. Give me a second, dude. 1 second. This is for Soar. Well, actually, no. I said I was gonna answer Demented's questions after this.
Alright.
It's all first come first serve. Okay, Demented, are you here, dude? And then
Yeah,
Clifford, I'll do yours.
But I got 2 points for that, right?
You got 1 point for that. You get 1 point for answering a question, dude. You don't get 2.
Oh, wait. Doing though.
Yes, Jack. Real quick, what's up?
After that, are you playing any games?
Yes, I will play games. I'll play games for 30 minutes and then I gotta teach again. So hop on. I'll play some Warzone with you. Okay, Demented, you're asking about trinomials and polynomials, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, so a trinomial is specifically a type of polynomial. Polynomial means many terms. What does trinomial mean?
3 terms.
Means 3 terms. Good. Okay. So trinomial is just a type of polynomial. So, okay, we can just go into, like, for instance, what trinomials are. Okay. An example of a trinomial could be something like this, like x squared plus 5x plus 6. This is an example of a trinomial because it has 3 different terms. Okay. What if I had, like, x squared plus 2x plus 4x? Would this be a trinomial?
Yeah.
It actually would not, because I can combine the 2x and 4x.
Oh yeah, you can.
See how this is x squared
It's
plus
a-
6x? Yeah, what is
Not
this?
a trinomial.
a binomial?
This is a binomial. Nice, dude. Yes, this is technically a binomial. Cool. So, little trick. You always got to, Demented, you always got to combine all the terms before you classify it as all the like terms.
Together.
Yes, the ones that have the same exponent and whatnot. Okay. What you can do with trinomials is a lot of times we say this is like equal to 0 is what we do, and they want you to solve for this. Okay. They want you to figure out like what x could be, right? You know how to solve for pretty easy things like this, right? If I said like 5x plus 6 equals 0, how would I do this?
Be 5 plus 1. No, wait, hold on.
No, not quite.
Should I say it?
Now let Demented try to answer it. I want him to learn.
Yeah.
I gotta think.
This is algebra. So the goal of algebra, guys, is always you want to try to isolate the variable. You want to get the variable by itself. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it'd be 5 plus 6. So ignore the variable for a second. So 5 plus 6 would be 11. So then you would just you could just like
no, not quite. Okay.
take out the of like multiplying it by 0.
So Demented, what you want to do? You're an algebra, Demented, right?
Yeah, I'm in algebra.
Okay, good. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to get this variable by itself, which means you want to get rid of everything that's attached to it. You want to get it by itself on a side, okay?
Inverse operation of 6.
The way to do that is to see whatever's happening to it and do the opposite to it. Do you see how this 5x is getting plus 6, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. This is also the rule of algebra. Anytime you do something to one side, you got to do it to the other, okay? So if I subtract 6 from both sides, right, this becomes 5x is equal to what?
-6.
-6. Good. Okay. So I want Demented to answer this. The next step,
Yeah,
okay,
let him
what's
speak,
happening to the x with the 5? I want to get the 5 off of it, right? How do I do that?
You would try to isolate, so it would be negative -5 for the 5 and then
So
minus
okay.
No,
No.
You said it first.
It's good. It's all right.
At
It's
the
all right.
beginning.
So, Demented, what is the 5 doing to the x? Is it adding it? Is it subtracting it? Is it what's happening to it?
It would be multiplying.
Good. What's the opposite of multiplying?
Division.
Good.
Inverse operation.
Good. So you're gonna divide both sides by 5. That's what you do.
Oh.
Because if you have 5x, so if you have 5 times x divided by 5, these cancel. Okay.
Yeah.
And now you're just left with your answer, which is x is equal to -6/5. You see that?
Right.
Yeah. Cool. Yes. We definitely need to
Or
review.
if you want to get,
we
you want to get smarter,
Yeah.
Dude,
do it all the way.
sorry for bullying you in DMs, but
Okay. Cool. All right. Does that explain a little bit about like what trinomials are and like how to solve them, Demented? You should definitely come ask me more questions about algebra because I can tell like you're not as strong with it and like
you're not as strong as
no
me.
algebra. I'm not that strong. With
well
it.
I'm here to help you, bro. That's why I'm here, dude. Like
Me, the
I had a
algebra
teacher
is
with
forced
what's it called? He had the title of doctor because he was a genius in math, but explaining
yeah.
was not his strongest.
Yeah, no, the problem is like
struggled.
some people who are like really smart at like doing math are absolutely shit at teaching it. So like
Wait,
Yeah.
then you're Dr. Gold.
I'm a fucking unicorn, dude. That's what I am. All right.
Not the hell.
I'm a beautiful
That did
unicorn.
not sound right.
Yeah, all right, I'm not actually yeah, okay. I am
Ayo.
a not I'm okay, or whatever. All right, Clifford, you here, bro?
Wait, Dr. Gold, if you're a unicorn, do you
Yes.
fart out
Yeah, rainbows.
Rainbows?
Yeah, I
Wait a
Or
minute.
gold.
I piss glitter.
Clifford says that he can't
You
talk.
piss rainbows. And
That's
still
okay,
says
Clifford.
taste
You
the
can't
rainbow.
talk. That's fine.
Hey,
Wait a
yo.
minute. I got a conspiracy
Alright,
theory.
let Dr. Gold get the question done.
Yeah, let me get it. You guys are
Oh,
good.
Either
am I-
rainbows
am
or
I
gold,
correct?
bro. I swear.
God damn it.
Is it my question next?
No, it's Clifford's. Wait, what
Oh,
the
man.
fuck?
By the
What-
way, to mention, may the algebraic force be with you.
He made the
Hope
algebraic
so.
force be with
Can I
you.
be after Clifford, please?
No, me.
Okay.
Okay.
Who asked in the Discord? You guys got to ask in the Discord. Let's actually. I think Patty
I
actually
asked
asked.
in the
I think Patty
I
asked.
asked in the
I can
Discord
ask in the Discord.
yesterday, and you said I could do it fresh tomorrow.
Wait. Did Patty post something? Is he in here yet? I thought I saw him post something. Okay. All good. I just want to learn some extrapolation. Where did you post it? We'll get to it when we get to it. I think mechanical's next. Unless Grim, you literally posted something earlier, but I don't see it. Oh no, you did. You did. Okay, it's Grim and then it's mechanical.
Yeah, I was
You're good.
asking
You're good.
this
You're
Mango.
good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Let me go over Clifford's question. All right.
Okay.
My question for this is: this year, Clean Machine used 2,856 gallons of soap. That is 16% less soap than last year. How many gallons of soap did the company use last year? Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah, this is these are percentages, is what these are, Clifford. Okay.
Oh yeah, the percentage of.
Right. Okay. So man, I gotta think how to teach this. Okay.
You can just pick
Big brain.
So I have a
No.
question about this. I don't know if it would work out.
Yeah.
Can't you reverse the
16%.
Yeah.
You can.
Reverse it? 'Cause,
Yeah. That is what we're gonna do.
divide. All right.
Okay, so I gotta think how to write. Okay, so key thing you guys need to know. Do you guys know how to convert percentages into decimals?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 over. or
So-
something.
Divide by 100.
So yeah, good. If I have 35%, how would I write that as a decimal?
0.35.
And 35.
Yeah. Always take the decimal, just move it to the left, right? So this is 0.35. Or like Demented said it right. You could just divide by 100, and 35 100ths is just 0.35. Okay. All right, Clifford.
Oh,
The way to do this one is, okay, so we know that this amount is 16% less than last year, okay? So if it's 16% less than last year, what percentage is it of last year? This is kind of the hard thing here. Okay.
Oh, all right.
Do you see this?
I understand the question.
Let's make something easier. I'll make it a little bit easier. Okay. Let's say I am 25, or let's say I'm 50% lighter than I was 6 months ago. I don't know. Maybe I just like
damn.
chopped
you
off like
know
both my
something.
arms or something. Okay.
That's a bit too
You
simple.
chopped off half
That's a
of your
little
body.
too simple, and also like I'm not anorexic. All right, let's say
Just
25.
divide it by 2.
Here, let's do
whatever it
25%.
was.
Let's say I'm 25% lighter than I was 6 months ago. Okay. What percentage am I of my weight that I was 6 months ago? If I've lost 25%, what percent am I?
You'd be 75.
Good. Yes, good. So if I started here as 100%, right, and I lost 25%, that means now I'm 75%. Okay. Does that make sense, Clifford? How that works? Like the percentage that, yes. Okay, great. Okay, cool. So I'm 16% less than I was last year. So what percentage am I of last year? So if I was 100%, right, and I lost 16%, what percent am I now?
Can I answer this? Or?
Yes, you can. That's okay.
All right. It's 84.
Good. Very good. 84%. Okay, here we go. Okay. So what I'm going to say is that 84% of my total of my starting amount, right, is equal to 2,856, right? So this is like this year, right? This year. I'm 84% of what I started at this year, and that's equal to 2,856. So this now becomes a math problem. Okay, the first question is, do we understand how we got to this point?
Yeah.
I'm 84% of my total because I lost 16% of my total. So 84% of my total has to equal what I am right now, which is 2,856. So the way to do this is to write this as a decimal. How can I write 84% as a decimal?
0.84.
Good. 0.84 times whatever the amount was, right? We're going to say x. So when you don't know something, just put x, right? That's what we're solving for. Has to equal 2,856, okay? And then what do I do? So here's the Demented. What's the algebra? What do I do here? What's the next algebra step? Oh shit, dude.
Magic.
Ooh, smack.
He's got him, dude. Like, you got it. What do I do?
So you're trying to how much you lost, right?
So I'm just trying to. This is just algebra at this point. I'm just trying to solve for x. Okay.
So you're trying to solve for x.
Good. I'm trying to solve for
You
x.
isolate x.
Good. I want to isolate x.
All by its...
Good. So what's happening to x?
Oh, you're gonna have to divide.
Good. Nice, dude. Divide by what?
I'm gonna 0.84, but
Yeah.
I've never decimals before.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You need a calculator for this. 0.84. 0.84. Right, good. This is going to cancel, guys. So then you're left with this, which you do need a calculator for this one. So this divided by 0.84 is going to equal 3,400. Okay. Oh, Patty Craps, you did post something. Cool. All right. So that's what the final answer is 3,400. So, and you can kind of see this, right? So 3,400 is what you started with. You can always double check this. You started with, right? And then we lost 16% of that, right? And the way to see how much you lost is to do 16%, which is 0.16, times the 3,400, which 0.16 times 3,400 is equal to 544. So then how much you are now, right, is the 3,400 minus the 544, which is just going to equal the same answer, 2,856. That's kind of like, that's the process it goes in, and we just went in the reverse is what we did. Does that make sense, Clifford? That's actually, that's a pretty tough concept to talk. Okay, awesome, good. All right, great. I'm glad that made sense here. Let me get you your bond coin. We're running through a lot of students today. Let's do it. All right, one user Clifford. Nice, good job. Okay. Grim was next. How to graph and eliminate. What is an elimination problem, Grim? Can you give me an example, dude, please?
Like, how do I say this? Okay, so like, you know the elimination problems, right?
I don't
Like,
know what an elimination problem is.
What if they don't give you the problems, but they only give you the, like, how do I say this? Oh yeah. What if, like, it's like a complex problem and they only show a graph, and like I don't know how to say it.
Solve using
Like,
eliminate.
Oh my god, do I despise this method.
They just give you. They're not going to give you a graph, dude. They're going to give you two equations.
I know they're gonna give you two equations. I'm like, that's what I just said.
Okay.
What if they don't give you the points or anything? Like to start off with.
Okay.
And only give you like.
They only give you a graph. Sure. I mean, we can do that. Are you saying, like, if, for instance, if they gave you some shit like this, they said like.
Okay.
Bro, I'll get you. I know what you're talking about, dude. You're talking about like if I do some shit like this, they just give you some graphs.
Yeah, they just give you some graphs and nothing else.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Well, then what you need to do, Grim, first is you need to convert these into equations. Okay. So let's say this is, for instance, let's say this point is 0, 2. This point is 2, 0. All right. Let's say this point is 4, 0. Okay, and then let's say this point is 0, minus 4. Okay, this is an example. They got to give you points on the graph, or you have to be able to at least like pick out some points on the graph. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're trying to do, Grim, here is we're trying to solve for what this intersection is, right? That's what you're trying to do. Like let's say, for instance, this is like equation 1, and this is equation 2.
You can just call me by my real name. Here, I'll write it in chat.
Call you from your real name? What do you mean call you? Ian. Okay, dude. Whatever. I can call you Ian, dude. Whatever you want to be called, dude. All right.
Yeah, I keep changing my name. So.
You do, but I always know you as Grim. So, okay, Ian. So we're looking for the intersection, right? Where these two functions intersect, right? So what we need to do is we need to get an equation for each one. Okay. Do you know how to get from 2 points the equation of a line? Do you know how to do that?
Find the slope, I guess.
Good. Yes, you do need the slope. Here, let's find the slope of the first one. Let's find the slope of equation 1. What's the slope of equation 1? How do I do that?
You do rise over run, I guess.
Good, yes. So what's the rise over run between these 2 points? What's the rise over run?
Rise over run is like count the boxes, I guess, but there's no boxes here.
There's 2 points. So this is cool because, guys, this goes back to what we just did with SOAR, right? which was did you see how he had 2 points and he had to figure out the slope? He literally had to do this. How do you do this?
You like you
Here, let's
get the
remember.
difference, I
Let's
guess.
remember. Let's see if we remember. You guys have the memory of a goldfish sometimes.
Oh
Uh,
God, why do you have all that marked down?
Here, one second.
Here, I think I got this. Is it? Dr. Go, correct me if I'm wrong,
Yes.
but X always starts first, right? X and then Y.
Yeah.
In
Nah,
the
yeah, it
system.
does for the points. You're right. You're right. You're
Yeah.
very right, Demented.
So
Yes.
we're gonna be 0, 4, and then -4, 0. Is your 2 points?
Good. Yes, you have.
I don't. Sorry, Demented. I don't trust anyone who
No,
doesn't know the
4,
basics
0,
of
and
algebra.
then 0, -4.
Yeah, good. That's fine. It doesn't matter what order, as long as you're consistent, right? This is 0, -4. That's good. Okay.
Yeah, pretty sure. I thought it was gonna be like -4, like 4 is -4,
Okay.
something like that.
So, guys, slope. Slope is rise over run, which remember is delta y over delta x. Okay.
Yeah.
Which what does delta y mean?
Anywhere on Y.
No,
Anywhere
delta
on
means change in y,
Oh, change in Y.
right? So what's change in y?
the change in y is like -4.
Well, okay. Let's do the formula. It's y2 minus y1. Okay. What would delta x be?
Delta x would be the y x1
x2 minus x1. Good.
x2.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here I want you to put numbers in. Okay. So what's y2?
Or y over 2.
No. What is y2? Remember, this is
Y2
this is point 1.
y2 would be -4.
Good. Very good. Very good. So you get -4, and then what else? What is y1? Minus y1, which is what?
Then 0.
Good. Over what's x2?
X2 is 0.
0. Good. And then what's x1?
X1 is 4.
Good. So what is this slope equal to?
This slope is equal to -4 over -4.
Which is what?
1.
Yes, dude. Good. You found the slope for the first one. Very happy. Nice. Here, let's get rid of all this. Okay. So, good. You found the slope here, right? You found the slope is equal to 1. Okay. Now, do you remember what the equation of a line is?
The equation of a line is 180.
No, it's y equals
Oh, no,
mx,
that's
mx plus
b.
b. That's the angles of a line. Y is equal to
Yeah.
mx plus
Oh.
b. Okay.
Okay.
What is m?
M is slope.
Slope. Good. Okay. So what we have, so all we need to figure out is b here, right? Which is technically what we call the y-intercept. Okay. So one way to figure this out, you could look at the graph and figure out where the y-intercept is. Do you see where the y-intercept is? Do you know what the y-intercept is? That's always a good question.
Yes, the y-intercept is well, the y-intercept is -4.
Good. Yes, good. So you could literally just write this. You can say y is equal to 1x, right? Which is just the same thing as x minus 4. Okay. That's the first equation. Okay. Let's get the second equation. What's the second equation?
The second equation is 0, 2, 2, 0.
Good. So you have 0, 2, 2, 0. So what's the slope?
Oh, what's the slope?
Yeah. What's the slope? What's the slope, dude?
Oh, I didn't hear you.
No, that's okay. What's the slope?
The slope is 2, 2.
2, 2.
Why are you hydrating? No one paid for you to hydrate.
Well, okay. It's
I
y.
saw
It's
that.
y2 minus y1. So it's 0 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 0. Do you see how this is? This is -2 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay. What is -2 over 2?
1.
Negative one. -1. Good. Okay, good. So this equation, right, has a slope equal to -1. Okay. What's the equation of this line?
And the equation of this line is the y equals -1 x
Good, so
plus 2.
good, too, good. Nice, dude. Yes, good. All right, now you have 2 equations. Do you see how we got the 2 equations now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now you can use the method of eliminations because now you have the 2 equations. Do you remember how to do the method of eliminations?
Yeah.
So what am I going to do here?
You're gonna you're gonna you're gonna cancel out the x.
Good. I can literally add these together. You see, what is y plus y?
Y plus y is y.
No. 2y.
Just a 2.
2y. 2y. Okay.
Oh, 2y.
X plus minus
Equals-
x. This is 0. Minus
Cancelled
4
out.
plus 2 is what?
Minus 4 plus 2 is 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Good, good. So you have 2y equals negative 2. So what does y equal?
Y equals negative 2.
No. Demented, what does y equal?
Oh, no, y equals 1. Negative 1.
Negative 1. Good. You could divide both sides here by 2, right?
Demented's not smart enough to get this.
No, he is. Dude, he is smart enough, dude. What? Y equals negative 1. Good. Okay. All right, so now you know that y equals negative 1, okay? How am I going to figure out what x is?
X is
X would be 1, wouldn't it?
X would be
X.
what? No, not
You
1.
would have to plug it in. You would have to plug it in.
Good, you plug it in. You can plug it into either one of these. All right, let's plug it into, I don't know, this one looks okay. So I have negative 1 equals negative x plus 2, okay? What is x going to equal?
X is gonna equal. X is gonna.
Wouldn't it be negative 3? 'Cause we're trying to get
Close,
negative
close.
1.
It's not negative 3.
The inverse
3.
operation on the 2.
It's positive 3. So, yes. Yeah, Grim, this is the real way to do it. And watch this, Demented. I'm first going to subtract 2 from both sides, right? Because that's what's like happening to the x. The opposite of what's happening. This is adding 2. Let's subtract 2, right? Minus 1 minus 2 is negative 3 equals this cancels, and I have minus x, okay? Again, what's happening to the x? It's getting multiplied by negative 1. So we're going to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, and we're going to get the x is equal to 3. So this is where you get your final answer here. X equals 3, y equals negative 1. And that's like what this point is. This point is 3 comma negative 1. And that's where the 2 intersect. Cool?
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah, it does.
Nice.
By the way,
What's up, brother?
I don't want to get dirty with Demented, so I'm gonna just ask you to tell him. Can you tell Demented to give me his secret to walking 50,000 steps in a day before I shoot him?
I think he just goes outside and he just walks, dude. I think that's what he does.
Just go outside and walk.
He just fucking walks,
Doesn't
bro.
your feet hurt? Don't your feet hurt?
I mean, he's walking
but
a lot.
You just push through the pain, you know?
Push
You
through the pain, dude.
pain.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, Mechanical, are you here, dude? Mechanical. Otherwise, I'm going to Patty.
Mechanical left. You rage quit.
He didn't rage quit. He's just probably playing Fortnite or something.
I play Fortnite. Every time I'm just talking to you. Every
All right,
time I'm
Patty.
talking to you,
Patty, you here, brother? Patty, you here, brother?
Yes, sir. I am
All right,
here.
let's do it. All right. Ooh,
Alright.
find the inverse. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's happening here? They want you to take this equation and find the inverse?
Basically, it wants you to figure out if it even has an inverse.
That's cool. Okay. Okay. I think all things have an inverse, but we can check. Wait, why would something not have an inverse?
Because the question asks, determine if the function has an inverse. If it does, find it.
The fuck?
Find the inverse.
When does a function not have an inverse? I'm curious about this. If any horizontal line crosses the function more than once, then the function has no inverse.
Wait, so you're telling me I could have just put this into my calculator the whole time and determined right before?
Eh.
There should be one.
Yeah,
Let's
if
see.
you want to
Hold on.
graph it, you could have.
Yeah, I could put it into my calculator like right now.
Well, to get the inverse, you can determine whether it has an inverse. Because here's why they're saying this. Do you guys remember what?
Mhm.
You guys remember the definition of a function, right?
Yeah.
Like it has to be something that passes the vertical line test, right? Which means
Yeah.
I can't have it ever like cross a point like right more than once. If I draw an up-down line,
Mhm.
okay. Because here's what inverting a function does. If I have a function that looks something like this, inverting it always flips it over this like 45-degree angle. So what'll happen is the inverse of this will end up being this. Okay. You see how it flipped over? It flipped over.
Yeah.
Over
I know
this
that,
this
yeah.
line. You see how it flipped, right? Okay.
Mhm.
Is this a function?
That one.
Yes, this one.
I mean, in terms of vertical line test, then no.
Good. No. Right. Yeah. Exactly. So you see how this is not a function. So this means the inverse doesn't exist.
The inverse doesn't.
Does not. Right. Because this inverse is not a function, right? Because it doesn't pass the vertical
Okay.
line test. Oh, nice job, Obama. So what happens is it's kind of cool. If something fails the horizontal line test, its inverse will fail the vertical line test. That's what you have to remember.
Okay.
Just because of how because inverting stuff flips it over the y equals x line, which is kind of like rotating it 90 degrees. It's kind of like what happens.
Gotcha.
Cool. So straight off the bat, you can see that one of these, and I'll show you like algebraically why that is. Like for instance, which one of these definitely has something where it crosses the horizontal line twice?
The 35 because it's a
Yes.
parabola.
Good. This is a parabola, right? Yeah. So this one is definitely gonna cross. So this one does not have an inverse. Okay. And so
So would I just write no inverse for that one?
yeah, no inverse. Yeah. And you can do this. So here we have y equals right x squared minus 4x minus 5. The way to find an inverse is to swap out y and x. So what I'm gonna write is x is
Yeah.
equal to y squared minus 4y minus 5. Okay.
Mhm.
And now I gotta solve for y. But do you see how this is like fucking impossible?
Yeah.
Like I can't solve this for y, right? Yeah, I really can't solve this for y. Yeah, actually, yeah, this is why there's no inverse. You can't even do it, right?
Yeah.
The reason being here in Demented, this is also like the algebra side of things, is like I can't ever really get y by itself, right? Because if I try to like get rid of this 4, I gotta move the y with it, right? I can't get y by itself. It's stuck. Like it's attached to here and it's attached to here. There's no way to combine these two things. This is why algebraically you can't do this. If this was equal to 0, I could solve for it, but it's equal to x, so I can't. Okay, so then let's try this one, right? So this would be x is equal to y plus 4 over 2y minus 1, right?
Yep.
Okay. So I want to solve for y. How do we do that?
Solve for y.
I need to isolate y somehow.
That's kind of the part where I'm not sure.
Okay, here. Let's have you ever seen this, like a over b equals c over d? And do you know that a times
I
d?
feel like I should know that. But no.
Yeah, anytime you have like something and another fraction, you can do what's called cross multiplying. So I can do this
Okay,
times
yeah.
this equals this times this. Okay?
Mhm.
So I'm just going to do that to start off with. So I have x times 2y minus 1 is equal to y plus 4. Okay?
Okay.
The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. Okay? So this is going to become 2xy minus x equals y plus 4. Does that make sense so far?
Yep.
Okay, good. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get all the y stuff on one side and all the other shit on another, all right? So I'm going to move this x over here. So I'm going to do plus x, right? And then I'm going to move the y over here by subtracting y. So now I have 2xy minus y equals x plus 4. Is that clear so far?
Mhm.
Good.
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a y. How do I factor a y out of this?
Just divide by y.
You can just pull y out. So this is y 2x minus what?
Minus 1.
Good. Nice. X plus 4. Okay. And now do you see how I can just divide by 2x minus 1 on both sides?
Mhm.
So now you get that y is equal to x plus 4 over 2x minus 1. Oh, which is the same thing? Oh, that's trippy. Whoa. Is that really how that works? Wait.
The funny thing is that I don't remember my teacher ever teaching me that A over B equals C over B.
Yeah, well, that's something they assume that you know. Wait, is this real, dude? Is this real? One sec. I'm going to wolf from this. That's kind of cool if it is. Like, the function is an inverse of itself.
I don't know.
I am the inverse of Dr. Gold.
X plus 4. What was it? It was divided by 2x minus 1, right?
In your dreams. It was 2x minus 1, yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Did we do something wrong here? Oh, it is. Okay, this is kind of cool. Can you see this? Can you see this, Patty?
Wait, you are the opposite of gold. I graphed it on my calculator. I have that same exact.
Yeah.
function
So
right
this
now.
is the function.
What?
This is the function. And do you see, Patty? If you flip that over this line, right, you get the same shit because it's a mirror image.
Mhm.
It's literally a mirror image over itself. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why the function is the same thing as the inverse. Really, what's happening here is this part is like trading spots with this part. This part's trading spots with this part, but they end up looking like the same thing. Oh, that's cool. So the inverse is its own function. Okay, that's cool. Does that make sense, Patty?
Yeah. I just kind of gotta write that down because
Okay.
I mainly wanted to listen at first.
You're good. You're good. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna save this as a PNG for you, real quick.
All right.
I'm gonna call this Patty. Error saving a picture contains a drag and drop image. Oh, dude, what the fuck? Really? Are you what? What is that bullshit? Here, I can just take a screenshot of it. There we go. Here, I'll copy.
Also, quick question.
What's up, brother?
So the next problem, it's verifying whether two functions are inverses or not.
Okay.
And I know the way to do that is like it's f composite g times x. So it would just be f of g of x
has to equal
x.
So
I did that, right? And it's a bunch of fractions.
Uh-huh.
It's f of x is a fraction and g of x is also a fraction. And when I got close to the end of solving it, there's nothing that like necessarily cancels out.
What was your?
Should I just?
Yeah. What was your f of x? What was your f of x? Just give it to me real quick.
3x minus 2 over x plus 1.
Okay. What was g of x?
X plus 2 over 3 minus x.
I was gonna say bless you.
Bless you. You're welcome, dude. Did you see? Oh, Demented boosted the server. Did he? Demented, did you just boost the server?
Sir.
Oh, dude, thank you, bro. It's fucking dope, dude.
Demented, give me a sub.
Damn, dude, we're getting more boosts. That's sick, dude. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Come on, Demented. Let me boost the server too.
All right, f of
I
g.
can't do that. It's
F of
$10.
g of x. Okay, so f of g of x means anywhere I see x, I'm gonna put g of x. So this is 3.
Yeah.
X plus
I
2
did that.
over 3 minus x minus 2 over. Oh god, this is a mess. X plus 2.
X plus 2 over 3 minus x parentheses plus 1.
Okay, so let's have these all have the same common denominators, right? That's the first trick we want to do. Okay, so this is going to become 3 minus x over 3 minus x. Okay, and this is going to become 3 minus x over 3 minus x. Okay, because now I can combine these two things, right? So this is 3x plus 6 minus 6 plus x. Do you see how I did all that in one step?
Yeah.
3x plus 6. It's all right. I'll save a screenshot of this. You don't have to write it down. 2 times 3, 2 times minus. Oh, I fucked up. This is plus 2x. Okay, cool. Okay.
Yep.
That's over 3 minus x, right? All divided by this whole thing, which is x plus 2 plus 3 minus x, all over 3 minus x. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay. So x minus x. So this is 5 over 3 minus x. This is 6 minus 6. This is 5x over 3 minus x, right? So now when I divide those two things, right, this is just going to equal 5x over 3 minus x times 3 minus x over 5. Cancel. Equals 5.
I'm canceling everyone.
Yeah.
Equals 5?
It's all right. Equals X. I got a little too ahead of myself.
Yeah, I could tell.
All right. I was like bam, wham, bam.
I
mean, yeah,
like,
I knew what you were doing. It was just that part where you had everything become a common denominator.
Yes.
I just what's it called? I did the distributing with the 3. And just it was 3x plus 2, and then I just subtracted 2 from the plus 2.
Yeah, no.
It would be plus 6.
Yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna post that screenshot in there. Does that help? Does that make more sense?
Yes.
Nice, dude. Dope. Okay, awesome. Cool. Great. I'm glad. Demented, I'll get to your balancing and predicting chemical equations on next stream. Can we do that?
Oh, man. I don't even think he's in the call.
No, he is. He's in the call.
Does that mean he gets...
Mechanical is in the call?
You can get 2 bond coins?
No, you can't get 2 bond coins. You get one bond coin. You can only get 1 bond coin.
I thought you said Demented.
I did say
what?
Demented. No, Demented had another question, but if you
Wait,
ask...
So you don't get 2 bond coins for asking questions?
Not for asking 2 questions. You get one. You get 1 bond coin for asking any amount of questions if I have time.
Well, yeah.
I'm still in Demented.
All right, you guys are good.
He has time to spend in the stream, but he doesn't have time to call me every single day.
Yeah. Well, people have priorities, Grim.
Dedication, man.
It's all good. All right.
It's dedication.
All right, cool. Thank you, everyone, for joining Office Hours. It was really fun. I learned something today. Thank you, Mango, for teaching me Common Core long division. That was interesting.
Imagine not knowing that. That's like a fifth grade subject.
Dude, yeah, but that was some weird ass shit. That's kind of cool though. Anyways, we're done for today. We're gonna have another stream tomorrow. If you type !schedule into the chat.
I don't think I'll be able to attend tomorrow.
Well, I'm gonna miss you. Wednesday is gonna be 4 o'clock Pacific time, 6 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Eastern. So be sure to join. And you guys did a good job here. If you have questions and you want me to get to you, please put your question in the Office Hours Discord so I can go through them in order. And
Chess Club is tomorrow. So.
Good. Go to Chess Club, Grim. A lot of you guys were playing chess today in the Discord. I really like that. That's cool. I love chess. So
yeah,
you can earn bond coins for playing chess. What?
You're gonna make You're gonna make that timed one, right?
Yeah, I can make a timed bot if you guys want to play time stuff. But for now, like, be patient. Like, y'all are learning how to play chess, so like, give people some time to figure stuff out. Be nice. Have fun. It's the whole point of the game. It's the whole point of this whole server. Have fun. Okay. Anyways.
My first time I played chess, I beat my brother and my mom.
Okay. All right. I got 20 minutes, so I'll be in the recess channel if anyone wants to play a little bit of Warzone before my next student. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow on the next stream. Good to see you guys. Peace.